Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will test just five, okay, some lipsticks from Avon. I love the lipsticks from Avon, and here I have a delicate pink. It's very beautiful and very good, I think. And the second one is Burr Rose. Look this. I don't know. Burr Rose. And the third that I will test, it's a Ultramate Pink. Is it Ultramate Pink? Look this. Oh my god. The fourth is a fuchsia. It's a fuchsia. And the last but not least is the, my god, oh, look this, it's a orchid. Okay, so this is the lipsticks that I will test from Avon. So let's start. When I start make a makeup, I use the primer. This primer is from Pro HD. I pass it with my finger, just a little bit here, like this. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I need just a little bit. Okay, don't need to a lot of, and then you spread. After that, I'm going to apply foundation, and this foundation is from Mary Kay. It's so good. It's amazing. Favorite foundation. I use this brush. Let me show you. It's from Mary Kay too, and it is properly to make this, to pass the foundation. So I apply here. My god, it's finishing. I can't believe I don't use too much. I use it a lot, I think. So okay, then I do this, okay, and I pass. I love my face, on my whole face. Oh my god. It's so good. Look this. It's perfect on my face. It's perfect. And sounds like a dough. Okay. So after that, I'm going to apply powder. This powder is from Max Love, and I'm going to use this brush. This brush is from Vicky. It's a properly brush to do this. So I pass it all over my face too. Oh, and eyes too. All over my face. It's amazing because it doesn't change my skin. It's the same color. So good. A little bit here on the neck. Okay, I think it is good. Then I'm going to use a blush. This blush is from, oh my god, look this. I broke it. Sorry, I broke it. This brush is from Mary Kay, and I'm going to use with this brush. It's from, I don't know if you can see, but it's from MAC Clean, I think. I read. Okay, let's pass a little bit of blush. Oh my god, it's so sad when your makeup breaks. Okay, I do this. A little bit more. And now to the other, on the other side. Look this. It's like a concealer too. It's like a concealer. It's a type of concealer mixed by blush, I think. That's why I love Mary Kay. And a little bit here, just to little bit here on my nose, just to make like a shine face. Oh, so good. Okay, after that I'm going to apply a highlighter. This highlighter is from Mary Kay too. This one. Can you? Okay, Mary Kay too. It's to highlight the eyes. So I pass it under with using my nose, my finger, under my eyes. So let me show you. You can do a triangle here, here, a little bit more, and now here. The same process, just to the other eye, as a triangle, triangle here. Okay, look it. So highlight, okay, and a little bit I pass a little bit on my nose like this. Let's make a line. I make a line here like this, and here I do this. Okay, and a little bit here, the point of my nose. Here and here. Okay, and just to finish, I'm going to apply a highlight under my eyebrow like this, under, and the same process on the other side, under my eyebrow. Usually I use this finger, okay? It's softest, they said, okay? And I pass a little bit here too. I do this to highlight my face. On the other side. Very good. Like this. That's why I love Mary Kay. Okay, so after that I'm going to apply mascara. This mascara it's from, oh, I don't know if you can see, Mary Kay too. And this is, oh my god, this is so amazing. So it's a lash intensity mascara. It's so intensity. True intensity. Let me show you. Okay. My eyes. Look at this. Pay attention to this eye and that eye. So different, right? It's too different. It's amazing. That's why it's amazing. Oh, a little bit more. Let me. And you don't need to take too much. Okay. No. Wow. What eyes. Very good. So good. I love it. I'm loving. Okay, so finally, the last part of this makeup, it's the test of five lipsticks from Avon. So I will start use. Let me take here. I said to you the delicate pink. So this one is the delicate pink. Let me show you. So this is delicate pink. It's so delicate and so beautiful. I love it. Look. But now I will take it out with the cotton. But I love this makeup with this lipstick. So the delicate pink, it's my favorite still now. Okay, so let's take it out and try the others. Be careful, okay? With your makeup, with your face, okay? So take care. This cotton, it's from. Let me show you. Knits. I use too much. I love it. Okay, it's so useful. Okay, let's try the other. The second one is burnt rose. This one. Oh, it's like okay. It's simple. Okay. Let's try. Look, this one. It's good too. The texture is the same with the other. That's why I love the lipsticks from Avon. I don't know. I can't choose one. Okay. So it's my second favorite too. Oh my god. Taking it out again. Okay, so now the third is, let me see, this one or this one? Okay, is the ultimate pink. This is so beautiful too. I love this one. Oh my god. Okay, let me show you. It seems like a red head color, but it's not head red. But it's good too. I don't know. It's good too. I like it too. But it's not my favorite. I think it doesn't match with the makeup with my face. I think. So I will take it out. Be careful. Okay, so let's try the fourth. It's a fuchsia. Oh, I love it too. My god, I love the lipsticks from Avon. It's the best They are so good. Look at this. This is very good, but I thought it didn't match with the face too. It's so and I prefer makeup more simple and soft. Okay, let's take it out again. Okay, so let's try now. Oh my god, this is a this is a surprise. It's so colorful. Okay, but it is a orchid. It's a ultra mage orchid. It's not just an orchid. It's a ultra mage orchid. Okay, let's try. Let's test it. Oh, it's good. I like it. I like it. Look. So I don't know. I am in doubt now because I love it with this makeup. I love it. This one that is burnt rose. That one. The delicate pink is it was the first one, and I love it. This one too, the orchid, the an ultra mate orchid. So I think I will stay this way. Okay, so I hope that you like it, the video, and don't forget to subscribe on my channel to see more videos about me and about makeup and to learn English. And here I'm trying English, but the channel in this channel I teach Portuguese too. So bye bye, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.